Hi guys, welcome back again to the Mamibot's channel, and today we are doing a video about the robot cleaner, which is EXVAC800S with a dust box. And let's see how we use it. So this is the main body for the robot, and you can see this is the home switch, charging switch, and then this is a laser head. It's a laser robot, vacuum robot. And then from the back you can see the side brush, main brush.
Now I'm going to introduce you this 2-in-1 water tank and a dustbin. This is a water tank, you can put water here, and also this is an electronic water tank. You can control the water flow by the application. This is a dustbin to be a filter here. Okay, pretty much that's all.